Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today we're going to be talking about the release date of the Windows 11 version 22H2. Now, as you can see, if I check for updates, it's not really showing me any updates. That's because the version 22H2 has already been either released, or it's because I'm in the insider program. Now, if I go inside the insider program, it should, okay, NI_release. Let's check my WinVer. Yeah, I think I'm using the beta version of this. So since the beta is already out, I'm gonna say it's gonna take at least like 1 or 2 weeks, or it could be officially out. Now that's the thing I'm not sure about. Windows really doesn't give us a proper date on when they're gonna be releasing their latest version of their Windows 11. So just wait. If you don't have the update yet, wait 1 or 2 weeks, it should be there, and if you do, then it's already been released. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.